Good morning, everybody. This is response to another video that CC Scraps put out about wrenches. I think he just did open-end wrenches and all that. Here are some of my adjustable wrenches I have. This is probably too many, so I figured I would just do my adjustable wrenches. I have 32 adjustable wrenches. I have some of the 12s, 10s, 8s, and 6s. I even have a 16 here with a 1.25 wrench also in the handle, along with a 6-inch adjustable that also has a 1/2-inch wrench in the handle as well. I have one of those funky handled adjustable wrenches, and I also have one of those 12-inch Stanley Fat Max adjustable wrench with a pry tool and like a hammer on it as well. So you just pry there, and then it's got the hammer piece here. So it's like your multi-purpose adjustable wrench demolition tool almost. And these are all various brands: Sears, Craftsman, Utica Tools, Crescent. It just goes on and on. And that I still believe I still have some more. I think I have some in a toolbox in my pickup truck still. I haven't even gone out there to look. So, just a quick video. Thanks, everyone. Have a good day.